In the heart of ancient mystery lies a question as old as time itself. How did the pharaohs build the mighty pyramids? The grandeur of these structures still captivates our imagination after thousands of years. Today, I take you on a journey to explore the historical and scientific evidence behind these incredible feats of engineering. The pyramids, symbols of power and ingenuity, have inspired countless theories, ranging from the practical to the seemingly impossible. As we peel back the layers of history and myth, we will examine both the traditional accounts handed down through the ages and alternative theories that challenge our understanding. Prepare to step into a world where ancient labor, sophisticated construction techniques, and even radical ideas converge, offering us a glimpse into a civilization that continues to defy explanation and inspire wonder. Let this exploration guide your curiosity as we uncover secrets buried in time with passion. Imagine a land bathed in golden sunlight, where the mighty Nile winds its way through vast fields and lush oases. In ancient Egypt, this fertile land provided the natural heartbeat of a civilization that celebrated life, art, and the divine. Every monument, temple, and pyramid built on this soil carried a deep symbolic meaning, linking human endeavors to the heavens above. The drifting sands of the desert, ever changing with the seasons, formed a dramatic contrast with the orderly beauty of the riverbanks. Communities thrived along the Nile, nurturing astonishing advances in agriculture, mathematics, and astronomy. Skilled artisans, dedicated laborers, and visionary leaders came together to create a society where every stone and every tool was imbued with purpose. Trade routes along the river united distant regions, spreading cultural ideas and technological innovations. The warm embrace of this land fostered beliefs in gods and the eternal afterlife, inspiring architectural marvels that continue to mesmerize us today. In this vibrant cultural landscape, the pyramid was not merely a tomb, but a powerful symbol of the unyielding human spirit and divine connection. This picturesque tableau of ancient life invites us to appreciate physical splendor of the monuments and the spirit that animated stone. Historically, many theories have been put forward to explain the incredible construction of the pyramids. Over time, researchers have examined a variety of approaches that range from the purely practical to the highly unconventional. Mainstream historians argue that skilled laborers working with organized precision built these structures using time-tested techniques and tools. According to this view, ramps, levers, and simple chiseling tools were all that was needed to shape and move massive stone blocks, showcasing a remarkable level of planning and coordination. On the other hand, there are intriguing alternative hypotheses that propose the use of now-lost technologies, or even suggest that mysterious water-based methods might have aided in the construction process. Some thinkers even speculate about influences from beyond our world, adding layers of enigma to these ancient monuments. Each of these theories has sparked lively debates and has been supported by various pieces of evidence, ranging from archaeological findings to reinterpretations of ancient texts. Through this exploration, we see that the mystery of pyramid construction is not one-dimensional, but a tapestry woven from threads of ingenuity, hard labor, and creative problem-solving. This discussion reminds us that the greatest mysteries invite us to explore multiple perspectives. Diving deeper into traditional accounts, we find that the most widely accepted explanation centers on the incredible organization of laborers and the clever use of simple construction techniques. Historical records and evidence suggest that large teams of skilled workers, organized into well-coordinated crews, dedicated their lives to this monumental task. Ramps designed in various configurations, including straight, zigzagging, and spiral designs, played a crucial role in transporting the heavy stone blocks to high elevations. In addition to ramps, everyday tools such as copper chisels, wooden sleds, and levers were vital for cutting, shaping, and maneuvering the granite and limestone. These methods, though appearing simple at first glance, required years of practice, precise planning, and a deep understanding of the materials involved. The Egyptians' ability to mobilize and feed thousands of laborers, coordinate their activities, and sustain an intense period of construction over decades stands as a testament to their organizational genius. Each stone's placement was an artful blend of physics and teamwork, making the pyramids an enduring monument to human collaboration and ingenuity. The traditional theories rely on careful interpretation of hieroglyphics, ancient records, and reenactments by experts who replicate these timeless techniques. These conventional ideas are supported by numerous archaeological findings and experimental reconstructions, which demonstrate that basic principles of physics can achieve impressive results, proving the ancient methods. While the traditional explanations provide a solid foundation, alternative theories continue to captivate the imagination of many researchers and enthusiasts. These ideas venture beyond conventional building techniques, proposing that the ancient Egyptians may have harnessed lost technologies or alternative methods unknown to modern science. Some theories suggest that water-based systems were employed to reduce friction, allowing massive blocks to glide into place with ease. Other radical ideas hint at the involvement of cosmic energies, advanced machinery lost to time, or even guidance from beings beyond our planet. Although these theories remain controversial, they serve to highlight gaps in our current understanding and provoke questions about the limits of ancient ingenuity. Proponents of such ideas often point to unexplained architectural coincidences and subtle anomalies in the construction that defy simple explanations. Critics, on the other hand, argue in favor of more down-to-earth methods and stress the importance of interpreting evidence within the context of known historical practices. Regardless of where one stands on the debate, the allure of the alternative theories lies in their invitation to reimagine history and reconsider the full spectrum of possibilities. In effect, they challenge us to question our assumptions and explore creative interpretations of ancient achievements. A closer look at the tools, techniques, and the people behind pyramid construction reveals a story of human determination and creativity. Ancient texts and archaeological evidence provide insights into a carefully managed workforce, where laborers, craftsmen, and architects work together in remarkable harmony. Tools such as copper chisels, hammers, and stone mauls were crafted with precision, allowing workers to carve intricate details out of hard stone. Wooden sleds, lubricated by water or oil, made it feasible to transport enormous blocks over long distances, while levers and rollers helped lift these weights as they were meticulously assembled into the evolving structure. The construction sites were vibrant, bustling centers of activity, where specialized teams coordinated their actions under the watchful eyes of overseers and seasoned engineers. These experts planned seasonal work schedules that aligned with the flooding of the Nile, ensuring that labor was available when it was most needed. In experimental archaeology, modern engineers have replicated many of these ancient methods to test their practicality, demonstrating that when applied with persistence and ingenuity, these techniques can indeed meet the monumental challenges posed by pyramid construction. Each step, from quarrying and hauling to fine-tuning the alignment of each stone, reflects a deep understanding of both nature and human capability. This impressive melding of manual skill and early engineering principles underscores not only the technical achievements of the ancient builders, but also their profound respect for the art of construction. Their innovative spirit and collaboration shine through every placed stone and design choice. Modern technology has opened new windows into the ancient world, offering fresh perspectives on pyramid construction. In recent years, satellite imagery, 3D modeling, and laser scanning have allowed researchers to uncover details that were once hidden beneath layers of sand and time. These advancements have revealed subtle construction patterns and previously unknown passageways that challenge our long-held assumptions. Alongside these technological breakthroughs, careful excavation and scientific analysis continue to yield important clues about the organization and techniques of the ancient builders. In particular, the study of tool marks on stone blocks and the examination of worker villages have provided insights into the daily lives and extraordinary skills of those who built the pyramids. These findings not only validate many of the traditional theories, but also spark further questions about how every stone was placed with such precision. Experts in the field bring together evidence from diverse disciplines, ranging from engineering and physics to art history and anthropology, to form a more complete picture of ancient construction methods. This ongoing research is as dynamic as it is revealing, combining the wisdom of historical texts with cutting-edge scientific tools. It reminds us that our understanding of the past continues to evolve as new discoveries invite us to re-examine and challenge the stories we have long embraced. These insights deepen our connection to history. In closing, the mystery of the pyramids is a captivating blend of well-supported historical methods and imaginative alternative ideas. Reflecting on the evidence and arguments presented, it is clear that the construction of these monumental structures was no simple feat, but a sophisticated endeavor that involved remarkable organization, ingenuity, and teamwork. Traditional theories show us how a society, rich in resourcefulness, could mobilize vast labor forces and apply ingenious yet straightforward engineering techniques to overcome tremendous challenges. Meanwhile, alternative theories invite us to look beyond what is commonly accepted and consider that ancient builders may have employed unknown methods and technologies that are still not fully understood today. Both perspectives encourage us to remain curious and open-minded about our past. The ongoing advances in archaeological research continue to unveil new details, deepening our understanding and sometimes even blurring the boundaries between fact and speculation. As we ponder these mysteries, we are reminded that history is not static, but a living story told through the legacy of human achievement. Let your curiosity lead you to further explore these fascinating topics and join the conversation about how our ancestors shaped the world around them. Every new discovery and discussion adds another piece to the puzzle, enriching our shared heritage and igniting the spark of wonder across generations. Keep exploring. Always keep questioning.